Stay tuned to see how to create these 2 meat stuffed bell peppers. So I'm going to start by showing you guys how to core out your peppers. You'll begin by using a sharp serrated knife to cut out the tops of each bell pepper. Once you get the top cut, you'll remove the stem and use a spoon to core out the bell pepper. Make sure you get what I like to call the ribs of the bell pepper, which is what helps to attach the seeds. Next, make sure to thoroughly rinse out your bell peppers, removing any seeds. Go ahead and set your oven to 375, and then you'll begin to prep your peppers to bake. Make sure that you dry each pepper off with a paper towel so that there's no additional water, because these will actually acquire and pull water from the peppers as they bake, so you don't want to put them in the oven wet. And then I'm going to just do a light spray of Pam and place them in the oven to bake. While the peppers are baking, we're going to prep our filling. I'm going to start by heating up my saute pan, adding some olive oil, and then adding in my vegetables, which is kind of like a fajita mix, letting them get to where they start to sweat and soften. Then I add in my broccoli, repeat that process, let those get soft and start to sweat as well. And then I will create a little well in between my vegetables and add in my impossible meat after adding just a little bit more of the olive oil to prevent any sticking. Then I'll go ahead and start to chop that impossible meat up, making sure to season everything. And here are my seasonings that I used. I kept it pretty basic, I guess, with the exception of the everything bagel seasoning. I just really like the taste of that, so I add it. And it just adds a really nice flavor, in my opinion. But season according to your taste. Then I'm going to cook this mixture until it is fully brown. And once it is done, I'm going to just move it over to a Tupperware bowl so I can work on the next filling. Before I start though, I am going to flip the peppers over and cover them with foil. So here I am going to repeat the same process of adding my fajita mixture, my broccoli, letting them sweat down and get soft. And then this time I'm adding my ground turkey and sauteing it and seasoning it until it is done. By the time I finish my second filling, the peppers are ready to come out, and we are going to begin assembly. So I created little wells using parchment paper and foil because my peppers got a little too soft and wouldn't stand on their own, but this will work just great. And I'm going to alternate filling between the cheese and the ground beef. And this is where I realized I forgot to make my yellow rice. So while these are finishing off, I'm going to make my yellow rice in my Instant Pot. So for now, I'll just continue to alternate the layers of the fillings and the cheese, just kind of doing it as I choose. And here are the 2 meat stuffed bell peppers complete. I believe I ended up doing one of each of the ground turkey and impossible meat independently, and then the other 2 I alternated between the 2 meat fillings and cheese. And I just wanted to show you guys how I plated the peppers once I finished cooking my yellow rice. This is just a simple recipe of white rice, turmeric, and spices cooked in the Instant Pot on the rice setting. If you guys want to see this, check out my Instagram page because I did a quick reel on how to create the yellow rice. Thanks for joining me for another video this week. I really appreciate you guys showing me love every Tuesday. and sticking with me. Make sure you like this video, share it with a friend, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know if you would make these stuffed bell peppers. Wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're having a great day and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys. Bye.